What are we eating for dinner, Anna?
Hot dog. Beans. Baba. Hot dog.
It's not a hot dog, it's reindeer sausage.
Reindeer juice.
Mm-hmm.
What's Mommy drinking?
Beer.
What's Daddy drinking?
Coach.
Good.
Cash.
And Lily's doing downward dog in the lawn. Spreading crumbs for Rocky to eat up soon. What should we roast on the fire for dessert?
Muffins.
Marshmallows?
Sissy, a vacuum.
Sissy's doing she's vacuuming?
Yeah.
We don't vacuum outside.
You vacuum. You vacuum. You vacuum. Baby, baby. Ah!
Oh, be careful.
What now? Move.
So here's Mommy's new fire pit that Daddy and Anna bought for me.
And assembled.
And Anna helped put it together. Right, Anna Bug? Do we have a fun day today?
Yeah.
Anything else you want to say before I turn the camera off?
No. No.
Nothing else?
Yeah. No.
I love you.
I like you.
Happy birthday, Mama.
Happy birthday, Mama.